Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with plaque buildup, you know how hard it can be to get into those hard-to-reach spots between your teeth. Today, we're looking at the Reach Interdental Brush Bundle, a set of angled brushes designed to give you professional-level plaque removal from the comfort of your home. These brushes claim to clean up to 30% more plaque, with 75% more coverage than traditional brushes. Let's dive into whether these brushes really live up to the hype. The Reach Interdental Brush Bundle includes 20 brushes in total, with 10 at 0.7 millimeters and 10 at 1.0 millimeters. The two sizes are designed to fit between teeth of different widths, making it easier to tackle the plaque buildup between even your tightest spaces. The angled shape is inspired by professional dental instruments, providing a more efficient and precise clean. The wire is specially coated to protect your gums, which is a great feature, especially for those who tend to have sensitive gums. Additionally, the brushes come with caps that help maintain hygiene by covering them between uses. So how did they perform in real-world testing? First off, the ergonomic ribbed handles made it easy to grip, even when my hands were wet, which is a small but crucial feature. I found that the brushes were really effective at removing plaque in those tricky areas between my teeth. The 0.7 millimeter brush was perfect for my tighter spaces, while the 1.0 millimeter brush worked great for slightly wider gaps. One thing I really appreciated was that the angled design made it feel like I was getting a more precise clean, almost like I had been to the dentist. I used them daily as part of my routine, and the results were immediately noticeable. My teeth felt cleaner and smoother after every use. In terms of cons, I did find that the brushes wear out a bit quicker than I expected, especially with the more frequent use I gave them. The 0.7 millimeter brushes felt a little less sturdy after a few uses, but considering the price point, I think they still offer good value. Another small issue is the size options. While the two sizes are great for different gaps, I'd love to see even smaller options for people with tighter teeth or larger sizes for those with wider gaps. Now, is this product worth your money? Given how well the brushes perform, the extra hygienic caps, and the gum protection features, I think it's a solid value. Of course, you can find similar interdental brushes, but the Reach Interdental Brush Bundle stands out for its ergonomic design and the professional-level results it delivers. If you're looking for a product that will give you that deep clean between your teeth, I'd say this one's worth the investment. If you're looking for alternatives, there are some other interdental brushes out there, but in my opinion, Reach offers one of the best combinations of performance and hygiene features for the price. For a more affordable option, you might want to look into other drugstore brands, but do note that they may not offer the same ergonomic handle or the specialized coating on the wires. All in all, the Reach Interdental Brush Bundle does a fantastic job at helping keep your teeth plaque-free and your gums protected. Whether you're someone who's always struggled with those hard-to-reach spots, or you're just looking to improve your overall dental care routine, this set is a solid choice. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review from Beautyistic. If you've tried these brushes, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. And remember, the link to grab them is in the description or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.